How to fix OEM unlocking is being grayed out or disabled on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. In here, scroll down to the bottom. Actually, don't scroll down to the bottom. We go into security and privacy first. And then we scroll down and tap on auto blocker. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Now use a pin or a fingerprint to turn it off. The auto blocker will essentially gray out your other settings in developer options. So if we go back here into settings and scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options, in here now if you scroll down and you can see that OEM unlocking is now enabled and it's not gray out anymore. So from here you can choose to turn on OEM unlocking or not. Once this is turned on, you can allow the bootloader to be unlocked. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.